Hi! Today's tutorial is a beautiful twisted red and black mandala. First, find the center of your paper and trace 5 different circles of the following radiuses: 1 cm, 3 cm, 5, 7, and 9 cm. Then trace the grids of the mandala separated by 15 degrees. In this tutorial, we will use 2 of the mandala basic shapes, the petal and the arc petals. Start by tracing 1 black petal, then another red petal, and on the second row, you will shift. Make sure to trace the second red petal on the second row on the right of the first red petal below. Once you have traced the outline of the mandala petals, start by filling them. The red petals will be filled with a curve and a number of arc petals. In order to get the patterns right, trace the curve, then in the center of the curve, trace the first arc petal, and then start by tracing those on the left and then those on the right. As for the black petals, we will fill them with side curves. This is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share with your friends. And I'll see you next time.